So this is my YouTube channel Think Max. So show your support by subscribing to this channel and click the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload my videos. So you can check out the playlist on my channel. So there are playlists on areas related to circles. So and also the playlist on circles and all the chapter based playlist from class 10 CBSE. So also there is a playlist for math Olympiad questions and there is a playlist for sample question paper. So if you open the playlist, the videos are so you can check this. So there are class 10 max, chapter 7 coordinate geometry, introduction, example problems and exercise problems are all solved in this playlist. So you can check the playlist. Thank you. This is class 10 max chapter 12 surface areas and volumes. In this session we are going to discuss about example problem 3. A wooden toy rocket is in the shape of a cone mounted on a cylinder. The height of the entire rocket is 26 centimeter while the height of the conical part is 6 centimeter. The base of the conical portion has a diameter of 5 centimeter while the base diameter of the cylindrical portion is 3 centimeter. If the conical portion is to be painted orange and the cylindrical portion yellow, find the area of the rocket with each of these colors. Okay, children. Here a rocket is formed with two shapes, a cylinder and a cone. Okay. So a rocket is formed with two shapes, a cylinder and a cone. Now what are all given? The height of the entire rocket. So the height of the entire rocket is 26 centimeters. So this height, complete height is 26 centimeters. So it is given here. So the height of the entire rocket is 26 centimeter. The height of this conical part. So this conical portion height is 6 centimeter. So what will be the height of the cylinder? It is nothing but total height 26 minus 6 which is 20 centimeter. So height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter. So height of the cone will be given as 6 centimeter. Next, the base of the conical portion has a diameter of 5 centimeter. So this is the base. So this base has this is a circular part in the cone. Okay. So if you check the cone, there will be a circular part. So this circular part has a diameter 5 centimeters. So this is the base area. Okay. This is the base area which will be a circular part. This base area diameter is 5 centimeters. So now in the cone, we have a base area which is in the shape of a circle. Okay. So it has the diameter 5 centimeter. While the base diameter of the cylinder. So cylinder base diameter. So this is the base. Okay. So this base has a circular area. So its diameter is 3 centimeter. So its diameter is 3 centimeter. What they are doing? They are fixing the cylinder with the cone. Now what happens? This cylinder is diameter is less than the conical part. So when the cylinder is fixed to the cone, we cannot color completely. This area cannot be completely colored with orange. Conical part, this is the conical base. Cone base and this is the cylinder base. So what we will do? We will fix this cylinder base with the conical base. So if you have to color the cone with orange, this part. So this part will be colored orange. When we come to the base, this part, this base area of the cylinder is fixed. So we cannot color here. So it is fixed with the cone. So this is not visible. So we can color only this area. So this area will be colored orange. So this area will not be colored when we fix the cylinder with the cone. Now, here how to color the cylinder. So what is the color of the cylinder? It is yellow. So this part will be colored yellow and the base area. So on this base area will be colored yellow. Okay, children, can you understand? So I will show this with the practical objects. Okay, children. Now look at this. This shampoo bottle is in the shape of a cylinder. So how the rocket is made? The rocket is made in the shape of a cone mounted on a cylinder. So a cone is mounted on a cylinder. So this is the shape of the rocket. Okay. So there are two shapes, cylinder and a cone. Now how the coloring is done? For this cylinder we have to color yellow. For this conical part we have to color orange. So now what happens? This cylinder base. So it has two base area on top and on bottom. So this top area is fixed to the cone. So now we have to color only this part, only the part which is visible. So in this conical part, we have the base area. So base area is in the form of a circle. So what happens in this white part, we will fix this cylinder. So in this white part, we will fix this cylinder. So this white part will not be visible in the conical portion. So we cannot color that white part. So only the portion which is visible, that is in orange color, which we have to color for cone, it is only that portion is visible. So we have to color only this area of the conical part in orange. So this area should be painted orange and this portion should be painted orange. So this is nothing but from the base area of the cone, we have to take out the base area of the cylinder. So this is the base area of the cylinder which is fixed. So it is not visible. So from the base area of the cone, we have to take out the base area of the cylinder to get this area which is colored orange. To get this area, we have to subtract from base area of the cone. We have to take away this base area of the cylinder. Okay, children. So now the conical portion to be painted oranges. This is the curved surface area of the cone plus this portion. This portion is nothing but base area of the cone minus base area of the cylinder. Now orange part is over. Next for the yellow part. Yellow part is for cylinder. So in cylinder we have the curved surface area of the cylinder plus this base. So this base part should be painted yellow. So base area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the cylinder. We have to find out that area to paint it with yellow color. Okay, children. I hope you can understand this clearly. So moving on to the problem. Now let us take the radius of the cone as R, slant height of the cone as L and height of the cone as H. Next, radius of the cylinder as R dash, height of the cylinder as H dash. Now what is given? Radius of the cone. What is given here? Here the height of the entire rocket is 26 centimeter while the height of the conical part, so which is H. So for cone, H is equal to 6 centimeter. What is the radius? The base of the conical portion has diameter 5 centimeter. That means R is equal to 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 which is 2.5 centimeter. Now we have to find out the slant height, this height. Okay. So we have to find out the slant height. Slant height L is nothing but square root of H square plus R square. Okay, children. So square root of what is H? H is 6. So 6 square plus R is 2.5 whole square. So which is equal to R square is, that is H square is 6 square. 6 square is 36 plus 2.5 whole square. 25 square is 625. Now the decimal is one place. We have 2.5 into 2.5. So it will make two decimal places. So it is 6.25. So if you add this number, we will get 36 plus 6.25 is 42.25. Now we have to find out the square root of 42.25. So if it ends with 5, the square root will end with 5. Okay. 5 square is 25. So the decimal place here, keep it. Now we have to find out another number that suits 42. Which number will suit 42? So its trick is we have to find out two consecutive numbers so that its product is 42. So whose product consecutive numbers is 42? It is 6 into 7. 6 sevens are 42. 6 and 7 are consecutive number. Take the smallest number, that is 6. So the answer is 6.5 because 6.5 square is 42.25. Okay children. So if you find out the square root that ends with 25, write it as 5 in the ones position. Okay. So 5 square is 25. Write 5. Put a decimal corresponding decimal. Now for this number 42, we have to find out a number. So its product. Product of two consecutive numbers should be 42. And we have to take the smallest number. 6 sevens are 42. 6 is the small number. So write that number. So it is the answer. So L is equal to 6.5 centimeter. So we found out the slant height L, which is 6.5. So height is 6 centimeter. Okay children. Now for cylinder. Now for cylinder, we should know the R dash. So radius of the cylinder. What it is given? So base of the cone has diameter 5 centimeter while the base diameter of the cylindrical portion is 3 centimeter. So R dash equal to 3 by 2 which is 1.5 centimeter. What is H dash? H dash equal to height of the cylinder. So total height is 26 centimeter. Height of the cone is 6 centimeter. So from the total height, we have to take away the height of the cone, which is 6. So 26 minus 6 equal to 20 centimeter. So these are the data given. Now we have to find out the area which is to be colored orange. That is conical part to be colored orange and the cylindrical part to be colored yellow. Also we know that the base area of the cone, in the base area of the cone, the base area of the cylinder is hidden. So this part is hidden in the conical part. So this part need not be colored orange. So from the base area of the cone, we have to take away the base area of the cylinder to get the area to be colored orange. So let us get into that. Now let me erase this part. So for cone, first for cone, we have to find out the total surface area of cone. What is that? It is nothing but curved surface area of cone plus base area of cone. From the base area of cone, we have to take away the base area of cylinder. So minus base area of cylinder. Okay, children, do you understand? So this is the total surface area of cone to be colored. What color is given? It is the orange color. For cone, it is orange. So to be colored orange. So what is the formula for curved surface area of cone? Curved surface area of cone is pi RL plus base area of cone is pi R square. So radius of the cone is denoted as R. So pi R square minus base area of cylinder is also circle shape. So pi R square. Its area, cylinder area is denoted as R dash. So it is R dash square. Now pi is common. So take that pi outside. What is R? Radius of the cone. Radius of the cone R is equal to 2.5. So 2.5 slant height L is equal to 6.5. 2.5 into 6.5. plus this pi is taken outside. So r square. R square is 2.5 into 2.5. So 2.5 into 2.5 minus r dash square. What is r dash? R dash is 1.5. So 1.5 into 1.5. So pi value is given as 3.14. So write the value of pi as 3.14. Now we have to multiply 2.5 into 6.5. What is that? 2.5 into 6.5. So 5 5s are 25, balance 2, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 2, it is 12. 5 6 are 30, leave a space and write. 5 6 are 30 and balance is 3. 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 3, it is 15. So 5, 2 plus 0, it is 2, 1 plus 5, it is 6 and it is 16. Now, there are two decimal places. For 6.5, there is one decimal. For 2.5, there is one decimal. So, totally two decimal places. So, the answer is 16.25. So, now it is 16.25 plus 2.5 square. So, now we know that 25 square is 625 because if it ends with 5, the answer will end with 25 for squaring. So, it is 2 here, multiply with the next number. 2 into 3, it is 6. Now, we have two decimal places. So, put a point before two numbers. So, the answer is 6.25 minus in the same way 1.5 square. So, if it ends with 5, the answer will end with 25. So 1 is here, 1 into next number 2. It is 2. Now the decimal will be before two numbers. So we have two decimal. So for this one decimal and for this one decimal. So the answer will be before totally two decimal. So the answer is 2.25. Okay, children? I think you can understand this multiplication. Now erasing all this multiplication. So 3.14 into, now we have to calculate this. So 16.25 plus 6.25. So adding this 5 plus 5 it is 10, 2 plus 2 it is 4, 4 plus 1 it is 5. Now 6 plus 6 is 12, balance 1. So 1 plus 1 2. So it is 22.50 minus 2.25. So subtracting 2.25 we will get. So taking from here and this becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. Balance 2. 2 minus 2 is 0 and this 2 comes down. So it is 3.14 into 20.25. Now we have to multiply 20.25 into 3.14. So first multiplying with this 4. 5 fours are 20, 2 fours are 8, 8 plus 2 10, balance 1, 0 fours are 0, 4 plus 1, 1, 2 fours are 8. Now multiplying with 1, we will get the same number 2025. So leaving one place, right? 2025. Next multiply with 3. 5 threes are 15, balance 1. 2 threes are 6, 6 plus 1 it is 7. 0 threes are 0, 2 threes are 6. Now adding all these numbers, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, balance 1, 1 plus 2, 3, and this. So 638 and how many decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 63.585. Okay. So the answer is 63.585 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the area that is to be colored yellow. So let me erase this calculations. So total surface area of cylinder to be colored yellow. So what we found? We found it is nothing but curved surface area of cylinder plus one base area, because one base area is hidden with the cone. So one base area of cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder formula is 2 pi RH. So here R is R dash and H is H dash for cylinder. So base area of cone is pi r square. Here R is denoted as R dash. So pi r dash square. So pi is common, taking that outside. R dash, 1 R dash is common. So pi R dash is common. So 2 H dash plus R dash. So 3.14 into what is R dash? R dash is 1.5. And in the bracket, it is 2 into H dash. What is H dash? H dash is 20. Plus, what is R dash? R dash is 1.5. So, let us do this calculation in another page. So, the calculation is 3.14 into 1.5, and in the bracket we had 2 into 20 plus 1.5. So 3.14 into 1.5. So multiplying with the first 5. 5 fours are 20. Balance 2. 1 to 5 is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 fives are 50. Now it is multiplication with 1. So the answer will be the same. So 4, 1, 3. That is 3, 1, 4. Leave this place or write a 0 here. Okay. Anything is okay. Now adding 0. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 plus 5, it is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 3, 4. So here, how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So it is 4.71. So 4.71 into 2 into 20, it is 40. So 40 plus 1.5. So 40 and adding 1.5, you will get 5 here, decimal, 0 plus 1, and this is 4. So it is 4.71 into 41.5. Now we have to multiply 41.5 with 4.71. So first multiplying with 5 here. 1 5s are 5. 7 5s are 35. Balance 3. 4 5s are 20. 20 and 3 is 23. Now multiplying with 1, you will get the same number. So put a 0 and write 4, 7, 1. Next multiplying with 4, 1 4s are 4. So put a 0 here. Put another 0 and write here. Okay. So 1 4s are 4. 7 4s are 28. Balance is 2. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2, it is 18. Now adding 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Balance 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. Balance 1. 8 plus 1 is 9 and this 1. How many decimal? 1, 2, 3. So keep the decimal before 3 numbers. So it is 195.465. So 195.465 centimeter square. So let us write that value. So its answer is 195.465 centimeter square. Okay children, I hope you can understand this problem. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. Thank you. Thank you for watching.